Wink. She winked at his brother when she talked to me. Blink. I didn't blink at light. Wave. She gave a wave when she went away. Tremble. My right hand suddenly trembled yesterday. Spit. Don't spit through the window. Gargle. I need to gargle with warm water. Pinch. Don't pinch my back. Twist. I am twisting my body. Trip. I tripped over the electric cable and fell. Shake. The baby is shaking her milk. Nod. My son nodded to me to say yes. Shrug. I shrugged because I didn't know. Yawn. I am yawning and I am going to sleep. Chew. He is chewing gum. Swallow. You just swallow the medicine with the water. Rub. I was rubbing my hands in the cold. Crawl. She was crawling on the floor. Grab. He grabbed my book. Lift. I lifted the boxes and moved to the store. Pat. She patted my head affectionately. Limp. I am limping for a leg injury. Hug. My mum hugged me and kissed. Scratch. She is scratching her leg. Push. Don't push me, I'll go later. Drag. I couldn't drag the heavy garbage bag. Hit. He hit a ball again with the cricket bat. Clap. Everyone clapped because it was a wonderful performance. Leap. We are leaping over the fence in the field. Lie down. She lies down with her cat. Pick up. We picked up the bottles from the floor. Float. I am floating in the swimming pool. Sink. The ship sank in the river. Crouch. She crouched down by the river to see the fishes. Comb. She quickly combed her hair before going out. Snatch. He snatched the purse from my hands and ran away. Whisper. They were whispering in the class. Carry. He is carrying a factory box on his back. Bend. She bent and touched the floor.